Hello, it's another great day at Stapp Interstate Toyota. I'm Mike Schultz, Fixed Operations Manager here at the dealership. And it's fall. Soon we'll be headed into winter. And with regard to winter, CDOT has issued some new traction laws that everyone needs to be aware of. Please refer to the CDOT website for the rules with regard to traction, especially with regard to the I-70 corridor, should you travel in that area. And we're here to talk about opportunity as well. For the month of October, we have a great special. It is buy 3 OEM, OEA, or snow tires, buy 3 and get the 4th tire for just $1. It's a great opportunity and protects you and your family for the season to come. Please schedule online at interstatetoyota.com. We look forward to seeing you.